everyone. Welcome back to English with Jenna. I'm so happy you're here today.
Hi, Jenna. Hi, everyone. It's great to be back.
How are you today, Steve?
I'm good. I had a long walk this morning, so I feel fresh and ready.
That's awesome. Walking in the morning is one of my favorite things to do.
Yeah, it makes me feel calm and strong.
Before we start today's topic, let's remind our listeners, if you're new here, welcome to English with Jenna.
Yes, here we make English simple, fun, and easy to understand.
That's right. So don't forget to like this podcast, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment to tell us what you think or what you want to learn next.
Your comments really help us grow and make more great lessons for you.
Exactly. All right, now let's begin today's topic. It's a good one. Today, we'll talk about how to live a healthy lifestyle.
Nice. I love this topic. Everyone wants to be healthy, right?
Yes, but sometimes we think being healthy means just eating salad or going to the gym every day.
Yeah, I used to think that too. But health is more than that, right?
Exactly. Health is about balance. It's about food, sleep, exercise, and also your mind.
Ooh, so mental health too?
Yes, mental health is super important. If you're sad or stressed all the time, even if you eat healthy food, your body still feels tired.
That's true. Sometimes I eat well, but when I'm stressed, I still get sick.
Same here. Our body and mind are connected. So a healthy lifestyle means caring for both.
So, Jenna, what's your simple definition of healthy?
For me, being healthy means feeling good. Not perfect, but good. Having energy, smiling, sleeping well, and feeling calm inside.
I like that. Feeling good. I think that's something everyone can understand.
Exactly. Health isn't about being skinny or muscular, it's about how you feel.
Okay, let's talk about food, because I love food.
Me too. Food is life, but it can be tricky. Sometimes we eat for comfort, not health.
Haha, yes, especially when I'm sad. Ice cream helps my heart.
I get it. I love chocolate when I'm stressed, but balance is the key.
So, what kind of food do you eat every day?
I try to eat more vegetables, fruits, and proteins like eggs or tofu. I drink a lot of water too.
I'm not very good at drinking water. I forget.
Many people do, but water is magic. It helps your skin, your energy, your focus, everything.
I should try to drink more. Maybe set a reminder.
That's a good idea. Also, try not to eat too much fast food or sugar.
Yeah, fast food is easy, but not very good for the body.
Right. And cooking at home helps you control what you eat.
True, I started cooking simple meals. Rice, vegetables, eggs. It's cheap and easy.
That's awesome. And that's what being healthy means. Small, simple steps you can do every day. Now, let's talk about movement.
Exercise?
Yes, but don't worry. It doesn't have to be difficult. You don't need to run for 2 hours or lift heavy weights.
Oh, that's good, because I'm not a gym person.
Me neither. I prefer light exercise, walking, stretching, yoga, or dancing at home.
Dancing. That's fun.
Yes, put on your favorite song and just move your body. Exercise can be fun.
Sometimes I walk in the park for 30 minutes.
That's perfect. Walking is one of the best exercises ever. It's free and easy.
But sometimes I'm lazy.
Me too. But remember, even 5 minutes is better than zero.
True. Maybe I can walk to buy my coffee instead of driving.
Exactly. Small choices make a big difference. The goal is to move your body a little every day.
Now, this is my favorite topic, sleep.
Same. Sleep is one of the best medicines.
I agree. When I sleep well, my mood is better and I can think clearly.
Yes, because our body repairs itself while we sleep.
But sometimes I stay up late watching videos or playing games.
I do that too sometimes, but try to sleep and wake up at the same time every day.
That's hard.
It is, but even going to bed 30 minutes earlier helps. Also, avoid your phone before bed.
Oh no, my phone is my best friend.
Mine too, but phones have light that tells your brain to stay awake. So reading or listening to calm music is better.
Okay, I'll try. Maybe I can listen to English with Jenna before sleeping.
Perfect idea. That's healthy and educational. Let's talk about mental health for a moment.
Yes, that's important. Sometimes we forget about that.
Exactly. Mental health is about your thoughts and feelings. If your mind is tired, your body follows.
True. When I'm stressed, I can't sleep or eat well.
Same here. So we have to care for our mind. Do things that make you happy, like reading, walking, talking to friends.
I like listening to music when I feel sad.
That's great. Music is healing. For me, writing helps me relax.
Sometimes I just need silence.
Oh, yes. Quiet time is important too. We live in a noisy world. Taking time to breathe helps.
And it's okay to not be happy all the time, right?
Absolutely. We are human. The goal is not to be happy always, but to understand ourselves and rest when we need to.
That's deep, Jenna.
Well, I'm a teacher, but also a human.
Let's talk about daily habits. What do you do in your day to stay healthy?
Good question. I wake up early, drink a glass of water, stretch a bit, and write a short note of gratitude.
Gratitude? Like saying thank you?
Yes, I write one or two things I'm thankful for. It makes my morning positive.
That's nice. I usually just check my phone.
Many people do, but try to give yourself 10 minutes before checking your phone.
I'll try that.
Then I eat breakfast, maybe oatmeal or eggs, and go for a short walk.
I usually skip breakfast.
Ah, you shouldn't. Breakfast gives you energy to start your day.
Yeah, but I always wake up late.
Maybe you can prepare something simple the night before, like fruit or yogurt.
That's smart.
What about your healthy habits, Steve?
I drink water and walk my dog.
That's already great. Movement, hydration, and connection. Perfect combo.
But Jenna, what if someone is super busy? Like, no time for cooking or walking?
That's a good question. Many people feel that way. But remember, being healthy is not about doing more, it's about choosing better.
How do you mean?
For example, take the stairs instead of the elevator. Bring fruit to work instead of chips. Small changes are powerful.
Yeah, like one little choice every day.
Exactly. You don't have to change everything at once. just one small step.
Sometimes I eat fast food because I'm tired.
That's okay. Don't feel guilty. Just try to balance it. Maybe next meal, eat something fresh.
I like that. No pressure.
Yes, health should make you feel better, not worried.
I've noticed that different countries have different ideas about health.
True. In some places, people eat a lot of vegetables and walk everywhere. In others, people eat out more.
In my country, we eat rice every day.
Rice is fine. It's all about portion and balance. Food is part of culture.
Yeah, and we also nap after lunch.
That sounds amazing. Rest is healthy too.
What about you, Jenna?
I live in a big city, so I try to walk or use a bike when I can. And I love drinking tea instead of soda.
Tea is good. I like green tea.
Oh, me too. It's refreshing and good for the body.
Maybe we should make an episode about food from around the world.
Great idea. We can learn language and culture together.
Okay, Jenna, if someone listening wants to start a healthy lifestyle but feels lost, what should they do first?
Start small. Maybe drink one more glass of water today. Go for a short walk. Sleep 15 minutes earlier.
So, baby steps?
Exactly. And don't compare yourself to others. Everyone's journey is different.
That's true. Sometimes I see fitness videos online and feel bad.
Don't. Those videos are for inspiration, not comparison. Just do what works for you.
I like that. Health is personal.
Yes, you know your body best. Listen to it.
And don't forget to smile, right?
Absolutely. Smiling is free and very healthy. Wow, today's conversation was full of good energy.
Yes! I learned that health is not just food or gym. It's everything we do and feel.
Exactly. It's about balance, kindness to your body, and simple choices every day.
I feel motivated now. Maybe I'll cook a healthy dinner tonight.
That's the spirit. Remember, small steps lead to big change.
Thanks, Jenna.
Thank you, Steve. And thank you, listeners, for joining us today on English with Jenna. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like this podcast, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below.
Yes, tell us, what healthy habits do you have in your life?
We love reading your stories and learning together.
And if you have an idea for our next topic, write it in the comments.
That's right. Let's keep learning English and living healthy one step at a time.
See you next time on English with Jenna.
Bye, everyone. Stay happy, stay healthy, and keep speaking English.